Are you ready, poopers? Are you ready? I'm ready. All right, it's about 5:30 Tuesday evening, and I'm geared up. I got a backpack on. I got a GPS running. I got a Sony camera on a strap with just one lens, the 18-135. Zip up the tent the rest of the way. We got water dish, a rock hammer, some water. I'm gonna just go for a walk. And I know it's really windy. If it sounds like wind, well, that's the sound of wind. And I won't walk around too much with the camera going. But I just wanted to tell you what we're doing. So we're going for a walk. It's the Tuesday evening walk. This might be its own video. So my name is Mark, and you're watching Camp Lapidary. And, well, that's Camp Lapidary today. So we're at the geobeds in Utah, Dugway geobeds. Camped out. It's Tuesday evening. We've been hiding from the sun all day long because it's been hot. We were digging for geodes this morning. Mattress springs. We were digging for geodes this morning until about noon, and it got hot. And some other people showed up over there, and but it was hot. So we went back to camp, and we've been kicking it ever since. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night, so I was resting in the tent, trying to get some rest, but it was hot. And so here we are. We had some coffee, got up some energy, and well, it's time to go for a walk. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to walk over into this valley. Lots of geodes on the ground here. I'm going to walk up over into this valley and find a wash or something to walk in and just see what's out there in the valleys over there. And so we've been hiding from the sun because it's hot. And even though the clouds are kind of moved in, it's still pretty warm. And so the mornings and the evenings is when you want to do things. It's not too hot. It's nice that the cloud covers exists. But we're going to walk that way. I'll turn you back on in a few minutes. Keep out. This is the entrance into the former claimed area. Those people just rolled in as I was walking across over there. Now I'm hoping by the method that I'm holding the phone, I'm kind of cupping it down where the speakers are, where the microphone is, perhaps. Maybe that'll muffle the wind a little bit. Of course, it'll probably just make it worse. But if the wind sound is too much, I just put in some music. Apologize about it. It is what it is. make it hard to film, poops. You make it hard to film. All right. Look at that thing. Tarantula hawk. Jitsi, no, watch out. Jitsi, no. I don't need you to get stung by a tarantula hawk. It's busy. Jitsi, no. Jitsi, no. I guess he doesn't want to be filmed. What do you suppose that is? Something eroded. Something fossil? I doubt if it's fossil. Though I suppose it could be. It looks an awful lot like coral. But that doesn't mean it is. There's another piece of it. I saw another one here. There's a few chunks. We just keep moving. Maybe it's like eroded limestone or something. Kind of interesting rock. Kind of a spot where there's less wind. But there sure is a lot of rounded rocks right here. Now, I seem to remember a story about, you know, there was an ancient seashore here or something, and a lot of these rocks are rounded from the ancient ocean action. So what I wanted to do was just basically explore some of these little canyons, mini canyons, see what kind of rocks are around here. It'd be cool to find some geodes that just kind of eroded out and are sitting here waiting for me to find them. Never know. Never took the time to, you know, wander around here before. Almost jaspery, but not really. That's interesting. It's got some kind of bands in it right there. Flow patterns, like it's a rhyolite or something. But looks metamorphosed or something into something else. something harder, maybe. Could still just be rhyolite. I don't know. I don't know anything. Some more of that. So that looks suspiciously like geode material. Keep our eyes open. Did you get jealous I was filming something without you? That's kind of pretty looking. Maybe I'll dig that out. Didn't want to come out with just my fingers. Wasn't very big at all. Yard rock, driveway rock. Any other good ones? Very interesting. Very similar to kind of the geode material. It pretty much looks like petrified wood. But I would not be surprised if that's just the rhyolite. We can put it in our bucket just in case. Looking. That's a big one there. darkling beetle, also known as a stink bug. Stink bug. Or do you find a stink bug? Hi, Puts. Are you thirsty? We better get some water for this dog. That's kind of like a geode. Definitely got, pockets of crystals. This is not really like a Dugway, though. Slightly different. Yeah, I guess that can go inside the bucket. I don't think this one's quite good enough, though. It's about 6:30 now. Checking the GPS, we're about half a mile from camp. Not too far, really. But I thought we'd start heading back in a circuitous route. Definitely a geode fragment. Just want to find some right on the surface. I'll keep looking. Kind of interesting. The only thing like it around here is piece of calcite. it might be laying eggs. Very interesting. Just noticed that there's another one right over there. This one's much bigger. It's got to be a female laying eggs. It's got some humps up by its head that I haven't really seen before. Like, does that mean it's mature and fully grown? I don't know. Those bugs are having a fun time. No. Jitsi, no. Jitsi, no. There's a little lizard running here. Just a little tiny guy. Little baby, just born. Getting up on about 7 o'clock now. Let's see if I can get down this hill without falling down. Hi, Puts. Always been a fan of this banded rhyolite. Could be something decent in there, I don't know. Good enough for me.